Assalamu alaikum students, I am Gazanfar Ali, your chemistry tutor, and welcome to MDCAT chemistry crash course. And today we are going to discuss about some MCQs of chapter fundamental principles of organic chemistry. And our first question is, which of the following is a aliphatic heterocyclic compound? What is a heterocyclic compound? The compound that consists of a heteroatom is called heterocyclic compound. What is heteroatom? Atoms other than carbon atom like oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen, they are called the heteroatoms. So alpha is tropolone, beta is THF, Charlie is anthracene, and delta is thiophene. Alpha is tropolone, and this is the structure of tropolone. This is the structure of tropolone. Beta is tetrahydrofuran, THF, and this is the structure of tetrahydrofuran. And the Charlie is anthracene. This is the structure of anthracene. And delta is thiophene. Delta is thiophene. Thiophene is a sulfur containing aromatic heterocyclic compound. Alpha is tropolone. The tropolone consists of a highly unsaturated rings instead of benzene ring, and such compound that consists of highly unsaturated rings instead of benzene rings, they are called non-benzenoid aromatic compound. So tropolone is a non-benzenoid aromatic compound. Beta is tetrahydrofuran. It consists of a heteroatom, that is the oxygen, and it does not contain any double bond. So tetrahydrofuran is a aliphatic heterocyclic compound. And the Charlie is anthracene. Anthracene is a benzenoid aromatic compound, and delta is the thiophene. The thiophene is a aromatic heterocyclic compound because it is a planar molecule and there is complete conjugation, delocalization present in the ring, and it consists of 6 pi electrons. So according to the Huckel rule, it is a aromatic compound, and it consists of a sulfur atom, that is a heteroatom. That's why it is a aromatic compound. So thiophene is a aromatic heterocyclic compound. So the tropolone is a non-benzenoid aromatic compound. It is a non-benzenoid aromatic compound. Tetrahydrofuran is a aliphatic. It is a aliphatic heterocyclic compound. Anthracene is a benzenoid aromatic compound. It is a benzenoid aromatic compound, and the thiophene is a aromatic heterocyclic compound. Aromatic heterocyclic compound. So our beta is the right answer. Tetrahydrofuran. Tetrahydrofuran is the aliphatic heterocyclic compound, while tropolone is a non-benzenoid aromatic compound, anthracene is a benzenoid aromatic compound, and thiophene is a aromatic heterocyclic compound. So beta is the right answer. Next question is, what is the hybridization of carbon in carbon dioxide? अगर आप किसी कंपाउंड एटम की हाइब्रिडाइजेशन फाइंड करना चाहते हैं तो आपको उसके स्टेरिक नंबर का पता होना चाहिए. स्टेरिक नंबर का पता होना चाहिए. अब स्टेरिक नंबर का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? नंबर ऑफ सिग्मा बॉन्ड्स प्लस number of lone pair of electrons on the central atom. This is the formula of steric number. Number of sigma bonds plus number of lone pair of electrons on the central atom. अब यहाँ पे हमारे पास जो कंपाउंड है, that is carbon dioxide. This is the structure of carbon dioxide. And this compound consists of 2 sigma bonds and 2 bi bonds, and there is no lone pair of electron present on the carbon. So according to the formula of steric number, according to the formula of steric number of sigma bonds plus number of lone pair of electrons on the central atom. So there is 2 sigma bonds present in the carbon dioxide. So 2 plus number of lone pair of electron on the central atom. So there is no lone pair of electron present on the carbon atom. Carbon atom has no lone pair of electron. So the lone pair of electron is 0. So the steric number for carbon is 2. Steric number for carbon is 2. It means that the hybridization of carbon in carbon dioxide is sp. Alpha is the right answer. If the value of steric number is 2, then the hybridization is sp. If the value of steric number is 3, then the hybridization is sp2. If the value of steric number is 4, then the hybridization is sp3. And if the value of steric number is 5, then the hybridization is dsp3. So here alpha is the right answer. The hybridization of carbon in carbon dioxide is sp hybridization. So alpha is the right answer. So this is all about the some MCQs of chapter Fundamental Principles of Organic Chemistry.